If you're thinking about why you should move from your existing manual spreadsheets to a product like Flowlens, here are a few things to consider. In this video, we'll cover the risk factors of spreadsheets, time savings for your business process and people, and management reporting considerations. You want clear information that you can trust when you need it. Spreadsheets are very flexible, but they come with risks. Security. Spreadsheets are easy to share, email, and change without any trail of what has happened. Vital formulas can be overwritten, causing endless errors, or worse still, undercounting of key business metrics. Maintenance. The person who masterminded your spreadsheets moves on, and no one else knows how it all hangs together. Time. Building a reliable system in spreadsheets can take considerable time. What else could you use this time for? With Flowlens, each team member gets their own login, so you can control who has access to your system features and data. Our activity log lets you monitor changes users have made. So, data can't just disappear, and because the important calculations are handled by Flowlens, you can trust the information it provides. Many businesses use spreadsheets to handle their processes because they're cheap and easy to use. That means that you end up with a spreadsheet for each function in the business. Usually these aren't linked, so you need to copy data from one to another. For example, as a sale moves from order to planning to production, how much time have you spent copying information? Have you ended up with multiple versions of the same spreadsheet and can't figure out which one is the right one? Flowlens offers a single database for your business. That's one customer list, one quote book, one order book, one production plan, one inventory list, one purchase order ledger, and so on. These integrated tools work together. You can always see what stage an order is at. There's no need for copying and pasting data between stages. And the integrated reports let you see vital information such as stock shortages, supplier delivery performance, outstanding orders and payments, work in progress, and much more. Flowlens also offers flexible reporting filters and metrics, so you can tap into your data however you like. Plus, your team has one place to look if they need information to serve a customer. No need to interrupt you or anyone else when they need to answer a question. Let's talk integration. Most businesses use an accounts package or email marketing software. With spreadsheets, you have another step to copy data into these systems. With Flowlens, you can integrate your accounts package so that data carries across without rekeying. Flowlens integrates with MailChimp so you can keep your contact lists in sync. To recap, Flowlens supports joined-up workflow. No more copying and pasting. Flowlens is secure. No more worrying about deleted data or unauthorized access. Flowlens is real-time. No more crunching numbers to get reports. Flowlens is integrated. No more manual entry of data into other business systems. Flowlens is your partner. We provide user-friendly software that is constantly evolving, but we also provide training and consultancy services to help you get the most from our product and work with you as your needs change. Flowlens is your platform for efficient growth. Watch more videos on flowlens.com or book a demo today.